Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency trading, and I'll be guiding you through how to set up your account on OKX, one of the top cryptocurrency exchange out there. Whether you're a beginner looking to make your first crypto investment or just curious about how to get started with OKX, you are in the right place. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you want more content like this. Let's get started. First off, let's talk briefly about OKX. OKX is a global cryptocurrency exchange that offers a platform for trading various digital assets. It's known for its robust security measures, user-friendly interface, and wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, or explore newer altcoins, OKX has a lot to offer. Before we jump into creating an account, you will need a few things. First, you will need a valid email address or a phone number. Secondly, you also need a strong and secured password. Thirdly, you need some form of identification. It can be your driver's license, it can be your international passport, or a national passport. Whatever you have to verify or to prove that you are who you say you are. Now let's dive into the step-to-step process into creating your OKX account. Step 1, you go to OKX website. You'll find the link in the video description below. Step 2, once you are on the home page, you click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the page, as you can see right here. Third, you can choose to register either with your email address or your phone number. Let's go through the email method. Step 4, you enter your email address and a referral code. When you use my referral code I will get some kickback and you will get 15% off trading fees. It's optional, so you can decide to leave this space blank. Then step 5, you will receive a verification code on your email. Enter that verification code, then continue. Then we have to secure your account. Once your email is verified, your account is technically active, but let's secure it further. Step 6, you set up two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. You can use an app like Google Authentication for this. Then we go for the account verification. For the final step, you need to do a complete KYC, which is Know Your Customer verification. Step 7, you go to your account settings and select Verify. You will need to upload a picture of your ID and probably a selfie for this process. And that's it, you are now ready to start trading on OKX. Remember, investing in cryptocurrency can be risky, so always do your research and invest wisely. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Drop your question and suggestion in the comment section below and I will help make sure I get back to you. Thanks for watching and happy trading.